Man, I feel like a butt to not curse because my trailer's like out 2 lanes.
Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Truck Avocado coming back actually with another video, baby. Right now we are in Henderson, Nevada. Just got unloaded here and we are going to load up in, oh well, too late, I'm already outside. We are going to load up in, where are we gonna go load up? In North Las Vegas, Nevada. So it's only like about a 20-mile deadhead. This load is actually pretty short. This load is only going to, let's put the window up a little bit. This load is only going to, where's this load going? Layton, Utah. So it's only, which is just north of Salt Lake City. Total load miles is like 400 and some. It's under 500 miles, and it's delivering tomorrow. So it's a quick load. It is a tarp load, so that's the only thing. So it would have been quick had it would have just been a strap load, but it isn't. So with that being said, let's make this left here before I get rid of you guys. And let's lock that up. All right, let's see what we got going on, baby. We're not gonna be able to go anytime soon. Man, this load that I just finished delivering wasn't that bad. What you guys thought that I was gonna say? It was horrible? Nah, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. What's bad is I can't get out of here. Jeez. Oh my goodness. There's just cars coming from all different directions. Hey, if I stick out some. The thing is, here's the thing. That side, the light is not, when the light is green, the light is red. When the light is green on this side, the light is red on that side. So it's like not really, that is nice. It's a Toyota. That's dope. All right, we're just gonna, all right, come on, come on. Come on, Jeep. Come on, Jeep. Come on, Jeep. Ah, he's turning. Come on, let's go. Sometimes you just kind of gotta force yourself out, but don't worry, not this time. There was no vehicles here. So, all right, let's turn on our lights minus our headlights because it is kind of gloomy outside. So yeah, man, can you guys see the mountains in the back? Anyhow, let's go on and shoot over these 19-20 miles over to the shipper here in North Las Vegas, and see you guys when I get there. Peace out. All right, guys, so we're taking our exit up here in about 0.8 miles. 0.7 now, so we're gonna take exit 46 here, Cheyenne Avenue on I-15 up here in North Las Vegas. The skyline is behind me, and in the last video, I know in the timeline, in the skyline, I said that what did I say? That was like maybe the control tower for the airport. I don't think it has anything to do. You guys see those? Those are Army Air Force jets. Look at how fast they're going. They're small too, like racing or something. That's cool. That is cool. All right, so we're gonna make a right up here. However, what are the lanes? Only one lane to the right. All right, so I guess we're gonna take Cheyenne East. So there's only one lane. All right. Oh, I should have been in the outside lane, but looks like there's plenty of space here. We're gonna make it right before the red light. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay, we're gonna have to, oh, well, there's that. Jeez, I did not know that turn was coming up so soon. Man, I feel like a butt to not curse because my trailer's like out 2 lanes. This turn came up pretty quick right after the exit. But I'm glad it was actually, if not, I would have had to just go around, but that would have been okay too. It's nothing I haven't done before, go around because of your wrong turn, but it should really like, I don't know, put a sign or something, which they did, put the sign, and come up quick off that exit. Came out very quick off of that exit. So we're gonna make a left here and we're about a mile away or so. All right, we're gonna make a right up here in about a 1/4 mile, just a little over a 1/4 mile. These lanes have like no markings, so I don't even know like what lane I'm supposed to be in, or what lane is a lane. All right, so I'm gonna make a right up here on Belmont Avenue in about 500 feet, which would be right here. Yep. All right, and then we're gonna, it's supposed to be up here, 3838. Not sure where the entrance is at because the Google Maps didn't really help, even with the street view. Right here. Yep. Right here. All right, I'm just gonna wait right on this side here, and we're gonna see if it do what it do. We're just gonna wait right here. I really gotta use the bathroom, so maybe I'll go and use the bathroom. Oops. Sorry, trees. All right, let's go see where we check in. All right, guys, so we are getting loaded right now, as you can see. I'm not allowed outside of the truck right now, so we just kind of gotta wait in here. Show you guys. Put on one more pallet, and then it's 18 pallets, and then I gotta go outside and tarp it.
You never had any patience. It's like a vision you couldn't see clear, yeah. And now life's a conversation. You bet it's only one side of love. I hear you saying, you say you like me better all the way, and I swear that I try, but I was so blind. They say your words hurt if you let them stay, so I count my ties. This is my good, and now I'm saying, I've been sitting, resting, and drifting. That was all that I had, but no more, said no more. I faced it. My scars won't have ghosts no more. You will never love me like I do. I would try to forget you, but I never
guys, I finished tarping. When does this get easier? Because geez, took me only about 2 hours. Let's see, it is now 3 o'clock, so about 2.5 hours. Well, it didn't help that I hadn't used these 6s before and they weren't strung. And by strung, I mean we use shock cord over here at my company, and yeah, so there it goes, boys. How she looks. Go one more time around again. Plus my door's on the other side, just I don't need to get anything from this side. So let me know, how does she look? What do you guys think? Can you guys give me any tips and tricks? Because I seen a guy, I think he did it in like 30 minutes. So please, if you're a flatbedder, put in the comments, what is your trick? What is your tips? Because at this point, give me a Conestoga. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, holla for the dollar, baby. Peace out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.